Hi, Celina. Welcome to the Maginn.
This is so spectacular. So Paige
you.
is the owner and designer at the Maginn. This place is stunning, Paige. So
Thank
look
you.
at this kitchen, beautiful open space. This has been a project that's been in the works for a few years now.
It's been a long time in the making, but we are ready.
And we are right in the heart of downtown Pittsburgh in the cultural district along Liberty Avenue. Paige, tell me more about the Maginn. What's the backstory of this building?
Sure. So the Maginn was commissioned by E.C. Maginn, Edward Maginn, and he was a prominent businessman. He built this as a confectionery warehouse, basically where people would come and do some grocery shopping. So that was built in 1891. And then over the years, there's been about 10 different businesses in the building. There was a rubber making business, there was a whiskey distillery in the building. Fast forward to 1970, Specialty Luggage, which was the last owner of the building, maintained the building at that point.
And now you have beautiful downtown living here.
Yes.
This unit is so stunning. When you come off of the elevators, that's quite the entrance.
The kitchen was a major focus of ours. The millwork and the doors is from Italy and the cabinetry is from Germany. There was a lot of imports coming in here from Europe back in the Maginn days. We decided to import a lot of the materials that we use too. So it's truly European made. And then Armina Stone supplied all of our countertops.
And they look incredible.
They do.
So Armina did the full kitchen, but also the dry bar too in all of the units.
They did, yes. It would be incomplete without a dry bar, right? So you can have your wine and all of your
yes.
beverages close to the living room.
I'm sure that was challenging for all of the workers in Armina Stone to get all of these pieces up here.
Yes, getting the stone up here, even getting the sofa that we're sitting on, we thought it would fit in the elevator. It did not. So we had a crew of about 10 guys lifting this up 20 flights of stairs.
Oh my gosh, what a workout. This building is so unique because even the beautiful high ceilings, the windows, just on the unit below in 7, those beautiful windows, I haven't seen anything like that in the city that's still around.
Yeah, so this building is known for that arched window on the 7th floor. There's really only 2 other buildings that have that arched window.
Why would this be a location that would attract somebody to want to live at? I mean, you really are in the heart of everything down here.
I think the location's great because we're within walking distance to all of the stadiums in the city, the cultural district, which has some of the best food. Really everything is within walking distance down here.
Paige, let's talk more about these beautiful kitchens. There are some gorgeous older elements that you combined with a modern twist. You're the designer on these units, so what did you do here to incorporate the quartz with Armina Stone to get it to look like this finished product?
It's an older building, so we had limitations with code and energy efficiency. So on these top units, floors 6, 7, and 8, we actually have the quartz going all the way up the backsplashes. Not only does it offer a more kind of elegant, refined look, but it also covers up some of the drywall that by necessity we had to put up in the building for code reasons. So we really tried to keep the building as close to what it existed as. The quartz itself, when you look at old Victorian architecture and really the 1800s, they used a lot of marbles and a lot of stones in the design, so that's really kind of a harkening back to that time.
So Paige, out of all of the countertop distributors in the city, why did you want to work with Armina Stone for this specific commercial project?
It was really important to us to work with people that we were going to have a good relationship with. I came across Chuck, and
we love Chuck.
We do love Chuck. And he was wonderful to work with. I knew instantly he was a can-do, go-getter attitude, and those are the people that you need to be able to see this building really come to life.
When can residents start to look and think about maybe purchasing and moving in?
Right now. Come on in. It's ready to go. We're selling the units. You can find them online, and it's ready to go.
All right, Paige. Well, thanks for giving us a tour. It's beautiful. I love it.
Thank
Check
you.
it out, everybody. The Maginn.
Thank you.